Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our department Humanity and Science. Our subject name that is course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, that is subject code. Myself again Mrs. Meeta Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is obviously depend on Unit 1, Chapter 4, Partial Fraction. We have to revise the factoring because of these. Using this factor we have to simplify many types of polynomial. So x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, x minus y. X square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y bracket square. X square minus 2xy plus y square is x minus y bracket square. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. It is simple trick to remind. We already know that x square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. If plus is there, in these both the formula only middle term is different. That is middle sign is different. That's why x square plus 2xy plus y square is x plus y whole bracket square. If middle is negative, then it is x minus y whole bracket square. Same trick apply for x cube plus y cube. Here, one trick is that here plus is there, so x plus y is there. If we have to take x square, be careful, here is not a 2 is allotted. If it is plus, here is minus. Plus y square. Next, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y. X square, here is minus and then it is plus y square. So here the factoring you must remind all this format. Next we continue our next topic. Difference of two squares. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Just we discuss about x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. We take the example based on that. If 9x square minus 16 is there, 9 is perfect square of which element? Yes, it is 3. 16 is perfect square of 4. So, here 3 square into x square. Using law of indices, we should write 3x bracket square. We have to consider as a is equal to 3x. 16 is perfect square root of the which number? 4. Yes, right. That's why 3x bracket square minus 4 square. So here a is 3x, b is 4. That's why 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 4. I explain it again. If 9x square minus 16 is given, we know that 9 and 16 are square and x square is also x square term. So we have to equate 9 is the perfect square of 3 and x square is perfect square of x. That's why 3x whole bracket square, if we simplify we get same 3 square into x square. That's why we have to equate 3x whole bracket square minus 4 square. So we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 4. Now here same trick we have to apply. 4x square minus 81y square is given. We know that x square and y square is available and 4 is perfect square of 2, yes right, and 81 is perfect square of 9. That's why 4x square we should write 2x bracket square. 81y square we should write 9y square. Middle is minus. So here is a is 2x and b is 9y. That's why a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we substitute a is equal to 2x plus b is 9y into a is 2x minus b is 9y. So we prove that 4x square minus 81y square factor are 2x plus 9y and 2x minus 9y, and 9x square minus 16 factors are 3x whole bracket square minus 4 square. So 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 4. Suppose we have this factor 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is there. It is quadratic equation. So here 2 and 12 are here ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 2, b is minus 5, c is minus 12. So we have to take first the positive multiplication here. So it is obviously what positive multiplication are there. So it is obviously 12 and 2 we have to equate. 2 into 12 that is 24. The factors are starting from 24 we should write. First we divisible by 1. Next we have to try 24 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are and 2 twos are. Here 12 is also divisible by 3. 3 eights are 12. Is it right? No, obviously. What trick we have to apply? We have to split up 24's option. 1 into 24 is first option. 2 into 12 is second option. 3 into 8 is third option. And 4 into 6 is last option. Why we have to choose 3 into 8? We know that if I take 8 minus 3, I derive the final answer is minus 5. That's why we should take 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. X square plus 3x, both terms have the x variable. That's why we have to take x outside. So 2x plus 3y is remaining. From these two terms, we have the formation of, we have to derive 2x plus 3y. That's why we have to take 4 outside. That is minus 4 we have to take outside. So minus 4, 2x plus 3. So factors are 2x plus 3 into x minus 4. Let us check. After multiplying these a plus b into c plus d, we have to derive the same quadratic equation. Yes. 2x into x, 2x square. 2x into minus 4, 4 into 2 minus 8x. Now we have to take 3. 3 into x plus 3x. 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Now we know that 2x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 12. 2x square remain as the same. Minus 8x plus 3x is minus 5x. Minus 12 remain as the same. So our factors are right. I explain again. 2x square minus 5x minus 12 are quadratic equation. So we have to take the middle substitution method. That means 2 and 12 are 24. So 1 into 24 is 24. 2 into 12 is also 24. 3 into 8 is also 24. 4 into 6 is also 24. We have to check that here is negative. That's why that 8 minus 3, I exactly get the value minus 5. That's why plus 3x and minus 8x are the middle substitution. So 2x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 12. So here x we have to take common. So we derive 2x plus 3. Same bracket we need here. That's why we have to take the minus 4 common. Minus 4 into minus 4 divided by 8 means it is the 2x, and minus 12 divided by minus 4x, it is exactly 3. So we derive x minus 4 is the second factor and 2x plus 3 is the first factor. If we take the cross multiplication there, so we have to take away by the cross checking. If we have to take a plus b into c plus d, so 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into minus 4x minus 8x, 3 into x plus 3x and plus 3 into minus 4 minus 12. So we have to take 2x square same. Minus 8x plus 3x gives exactly minus 5x and minus 12. So our both the factors are right. Factor trinomial with negative leading coefficient. That means if there is the minus, what is the minus? When the leading coefficient of polynomial is negative, we can factor out a common factor with a negative coefficient. Means what? In this example, minus 5x square plus 4x plus 4 is there. It is a quadratic equation, but this coefficient is minus. So that's why we have to take the minus sign outside. What is remaining? 5x square, negative term get positive. Positive x become negative x and plus 4 becomes minus 4. Minus remain as the same. 5x square minus 4x minus 4. 5 4s are 20. So 5 minus 4, I need the 5 minus 4 is 1. That's why 5 4s are our factors. That's why middle substitution is there. 5x square remain as the same. Minus 5 plus 4x minus 4 remain as the same. We have to equate 5x outside from these two, both the terms. So we remaining x minus 1 in a bracket. We have to take 4 only positive number outside. So we remain x minus 1. These both are bracket are same. That means our factors are same and right. That is 5x plus 4 is the first factor and x minus 1 is the second factor. Same trick follow for these example also. Here minus 3x cube plus 12x square plus 15x is there. It is the quadratic equation and x cube is given, that is called polynomial. Same trick we have to apply. If negative number is there, so that's why we have to take, minus 3 outside? Because 12 and 15 are multiple of 3. Here 5, 1 and 4 that are not multiple of each other. That's why only we have to take the minus sign outside. Here we have to take the 3x common and x we have to take common. Why? Because each term have the x. That's why we have to take the x common. What is remaining then? Minus 3x cube. We have to take the minus 3x common. So positive x square is remaining. Then 12x square divided by minus 3x. So we get the minus 4x. 15x divided by minus 3x gives the only minus 5. So that's why minus 3x remain as the same. X square minus 4x minus 5. 5 into, here no coefficient is there, that's why we have to consider 1. 1 into 5 is 5. And we know that minus 5 plus 1 gives minus 4 value. So middle substitution is there. X square minus 5x plus x minus 5. We have to take the x common. So x minus 5 is the first factor, plus we have to take 1 common. So x minus 5 is the second factor. So x plus 1 is the first factor. Here 1 is we have to take common. That's why it is 1, x plus 1 and plus is there. And x minus 5 is the second factor. So we derive how many factors? Minus 3x is the first factor. X plus 1 is the second factor. And x minus 5 is the third factor. So we conclude about that thing. If negative coefficient is available in quadratic equation and in polynomial, we have to take only negative sign and common term outside, and we convert in a quadratic equation middle substitution method, and we derive the final answer of this. That is called the factor trinomial with the negative leading coefficient. Now, what is exactly mean by the polynomial and partial fraction? There is though some connection. So we have to discuss this topic. How? If f of x and g of x are polynomial. Polynomial means x degree is greater than 1. So exactly greater than 1, then f of x upon g of x is called rational expression. If the degree of numerator f of x is available in numerator, g of x is available in denominator. So, if the degree of numerator f of x is less than the degree of denominator g of x, then f of x upon g of x is said to be proper. And otherwise, it is said to be improper. That means we have to sure about f of x must have less than degree g of x. That is, my numerator x degree is greater than denominator degree. If it is reverse, then we have to say that that is the improper function. So we will learn to decompose the rational function expression into partial fraction. That is our question in today's lecture. So polynomial and partial fraction, we will look 3 categories of proper rational function and their corresponding partial fraction. Ax plus b, a upon ax plus b, ax plus b bracket square, a upon ax plus b upon ax plus b bracket square, x square plus c square, that is quadratic equation, ax plus b upon x square plus c square. So think about that. We have our lecture is over.